Hey there, welcome back to Stop Wishing, Start Playing Beginning Piano Classes for Adults. My name is Diana Marie, and I will be your teacher and guide through this mini series as we journey through the first four classes of the Faber Piano Adventure series. If you'd like to continue on through the course, be sure to check the link in the description box where you'll find the full course that will be starting November 1st over on Patreon. For now, go ahead, grab your lesson book, which you can find linked in the description box below, and let's get started with Beethoven's Ode to Joy. I'm going to play the whole thing through for you first. Take a look and listen. All right, friends. So that was Ode to Joy. That's our piece for today. We're going to begin by playing through, following the steps that you see at the very beginning of the song. First things first is we are setting up in our C pentascale, which we actually looked at in last class, lesson 3. If you haven't had a look at that yet, we had a couple exercises, warm-ups to get used to the C pentascale, the notes, the hand position, and warming up the fingers. It's a great place to start. But if you're like, Diana, girl, I'm here, I'm ready to go, then let's do this together. So we're going to notice that at the very beginning of the song, you're playing through with the right hand, then the left hand, right hand on the second page, and then hands together at the very end of the song. Now, the way that we move through the warm-up pieces in lesson 3 is the same way we're going to move through this song, where we do the finger numbers first, and then we'll come back around the last time through and have the letter names. So we're going to break it up into sections. First page, second page top line, second page bottom line, and then we'll do the entire thing together. So take your time. I encourage you to say and play along with me. There's a mind-body connection that happens. Let's do it. So we're going to start at the right hand at the very beginning. 1, 2, finger numbers ready, say 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. Hold left hand. 3, 3, up to 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5. Hold. Go ahead, pause, play that through 2 to 3 times, and come on back. Now we're up to the second page, measure 9 through 12 only. So let's do this. It has a couple skips here or there. Follow those finger numbers and you will be golden. The left hand only enters in at the very end of the line. Here we go. 1, 2, right hand start. 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, left hand 1. Hold. All right, awesome. Pause, play that through 2 to 3 times and come on back. Okay, friends, now you're going to see that the very last line, measures 13 through 16, are hands together and they're moving in the same direction, which means that if we said finger numbers, they would be different. if we were to do it at the same time. So what we're going to do is play the right hand first, then the left hand, take a pause break to practice, then we'll put it together. Here we go. Right hand first. Ready? Let's play. 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. Hold. You got it. Now your left hand. Ready? Let's play. 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5. Hold. You got this. All right. Pause. Play that through 2 to 3 times. Hands separate. Come on back. Okay, my friends, now we've taken it piece by piece with the finger numbers. Now this last time through, we're going to play it slowly, saying and playing the letter names, which you see inside each of those notes. So let's go ahead and play it through together. 1, 2, right hand start. E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, E, D, D, 2. Left hand. E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, C, C. Hold. Second page. D, D, E, C, D, F, E, C, D, F, E, D, C, D. Left hand G. Hold. Now together. E, E, step up to F, up to G, G, down to F, E, D. Good, you got it. C, C, D, E, D, C, C. Hold. You putting that work. You got this. Let's go ahead, pause, play that through 2 to 3 times, and come on back. My friend, amazing job. You just learned Ode to Joy. Don't forget, add those louds and soft, forte and piano, growing louder, all those details along the way. Don't forget also, if you would like to journey through this book together with the full course where I have tutorials, step-by-step videos, please join me over at Patreon. You can find the link down below in the description box. I'd love to have you beginning November 1st, but you can jump in at any point after that and work your way through the course. It is going to be released once a week, so if you jump in, that's my recommended pacing. But if you feel like you just need a review over things, we'll have some Zoom meetups where you'll be able to join in, play for me, get some live feedback, as well as learn some other songs along the way. I can't wait to journey alongside you. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you see the videos that are coming up here next. I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.